Okay, so we're going to rotate this passenger seat, and in order to do that, the first and most important thing is to clear the area. So we've got the bin, the table and the toilet, and we're going to move them all out the way. So now we've cleared this area. This curtain, it's easier to do this manoeuvre if we unpopper this curtain. So if we look, there's poppers on the curtain. There's one back there. So we can just bend this handle out the way. And that just allows us to move the curtain a bit more freely and create some space down this side. Okay, just move that back out the way. So there's 4 of these to undo, and they're all done finger tight. They don't need to be over tightened. So we unscrew it and then pull it up, and you'll see that there is a pin through the bolt, and we bring it up and round. So we can see that retaining pin is now lifted up. Okay, can just move the curtain out the way. Now, the way that this seat rotates, it's really important that you rotate it this way. Okay, not the other way around. Okay, only this way. And one of the mistakes people make is it's going to catch on this. So the first thing to do is make sure that we're in first gear, just so that the vehicle's not going to roll. And we're just going to take the handbrake and drop it, just one click. Okay, so it's come down maybe about that much, just bringing it down. And now, because the bolts are all undone, you can see that this is able to be moved around quite easily. The idea is to shimmy it around. We go all the way forwards, rotate, and now we can see that the catch point is here, so we need to move the chair that way. And now we're going to bring it towards us, rotate it around, and now we're going to come this way again. And the important thing is make sure this arm stays up, and so we can bring this seat out the way. Okay, so we're not catching and we're free to move through there. Now we need to push the seat that way because we're going to catch this pillar. And the last thing is we just want to make sure that these 2 holes line up. Okay, and it needs to go that way a little bit. And this is where the gear stick needs to come down one more notch. Okay, and you see this has dropped in. And you don't have to over tighten. And the same now. And now the curtains can simply be put back in place, and at night time Then you can have the curtains round the back or in front, depending on what you want.